Assalamualaikum dear parents, welcome to session 3 of the 5th week. This is going to be the last session of these classes. Hopefully the schools will reopen in June, inshallah. Everything will be alright. So today we have 3 things in the agenda, and those 3 things are coloring tracing from the tracing workbook, page number 33 and 36. We have to introduce a new number in maths, which is number 3, along with its counting, and we also have to revise the questions of Islamiyat. We have 2 questions Islamiyat so far. One is हमें किसने बनाया, हमें अल्लाह ताला ने बनाया, और हम कौन हैं, हम मुसलमान हैं. So Ramadan is a very good time to practice these questions and increase your knowledge about their deen. I hope you will do your best, and you are doing your best. Thank you so much for your cooperation. Let's move toward the tracing workbook work. So let us begin with page number 33, and let's see what we have on page number 33. Okay, here we have an ice cream with a cone. So April 22, 2020 classwork. This is the first thing that you'll have to do, and this is the ice cream. So in this picture they have a little part of tracing. They'll have to trace this here, these lines, and they will have to color the ice cream. Summer is the time for ice cream, and kids love ice cream. You can buy them one before doing it, or you can ask them. If they do it nicely, you will get them an ice cream. And that's the best thing, that's the best way to make them work, that you tell them you're going to reward them with something. So they'll have to trace these lines, and they'll have to fill them up with different colors. They can use orange, they can use brown here, any color they like, and they'll have to fill up this yummy cream, ice cream. So and they'll have to use colors in it. They can trace these lines with colors as well, and then they'll have to fill these up with different colors. Let us move to page number 36. Date and day, date and classwork, follow the lines and color the insects. So this again is kind of the flying patterns of different insects, or the pattern in which they cover distance. For instance, the ant, it has a straight line. So we have a butterfly here, we have a housefly, we have a mosquito, we have a bee, and we have a spider. So these are the different lines they'll have to trace, and what you can do is you can repeat again and again about the insects that we have on this page. For example, housefly, this is a fly here we have, this is a butterfly we have, mosquito, ant. This will increase their vocabulary and their knowledge about the different insects. They can also use different colors in here, and in the end they'll have to fill them up with different lovely colors that they want to fill them up with. If they want, they can use different colors in different portions of the pictures, or they can fill them up with the same color, no problem at all. But they'll have to fill them up with nice colors, and they'll have to fill them up nicely. So that's it with this one. I'm enjoying coloring right now. So let's fill it up a bit. See, you can give them different colors so that they enjoy these pictures. Let's use pink. So that's it. This is how they'll have to fill these up, slowly, nicely and neatly. So that's it with the tracing workbook. Let's move toward the introduction of number 3. Okay, let us introduce the new number, but before we introduce the number 3, let us revise what we have done so far. And this is number 1. And first thing first, you can use a flashcard. Just show it to them and ask them, because by now they must be able to tell just by looking that this is number 1. They'll have to put their left hand here, and they'll have to trace this 1. 1. 1. So I have this decoration piece, which is a clam. You can use anything that you have, different things. So one clam. How many? One. This is number two. This is number two. How many clams do we have? One, two. One, two. Number two. One, two. And this is number three. So what are you gonna do? Don't tell them the number first. Show them this sandpaper letter. Tell them to put their left hand here. Take out two fingers and trace it. Three. This is number three. Which number is this? Three. This is number three. How many clams do we have? One, two, three. Let's count again. One, two, three. One, two, three. So this is number three. So that's it with this number. I hope it's enough for you. You can use different objects for the counting sake, and that's all. So the session ends here for this week. Ramadan is starting soon, and also the summer break for the kids. So Ramadan Kareem to all of you. I hope you have a very blessed one and enjoy your holidays. Hopefully, inshallah, we will see the kids soon in the school and you'll have good time, inshallah. So take care of yourselves, stay safe, stay healthy, take care. Allah Hafiz.